Are you ready to discover the top gadgets that can revolutionize diabetes management? Let's dive into 11 innovative devices that make living with diabetes easier and more convenient. On continuous glucose monitors or CGMs make life easier. These small sensors track your glucose levels 24/7, no pricking, no guessing. The best part? You get real-time updates on your phone or smartwatch. 2. Smart glucometers. These Bluetooth-enabled devices sync blood sugar readings directly to your phone. They make tracking and sharing data with your doctor a breeze. 3. Digital insulin pens. These reusable pens calculate and deliver precise insulin doses. They remember your last injection time and dose, reducing errors and improving consistency. 4. Insulin pumps. These wearable devices deliver insulin continuously throughout the day. They mimic the body's natural insulin production, offering better glucose control. 5. Diabetic smartwatches. These watches monitor blood sugar, heart rate, and activity levels. They provide alerts for high or low glucose and track your overall health. 6. Blood pressure monitors. These devices help you keep an eye on your blood pressure at home. Regular monitoring is crucial for diabetes patients to prevent complications. 7. Diabetic footwear. These specially designed shoes offer extra padding and support. They protect sensitive feet and reduce the risk of diabetic foot problems. 8. Foot massagers. These devices improve circulation in your feet. They help prevent numbness and reduce the risk of foot-related complications. 9. Carb counting apps. These smartphone apps make meal planning easier. They help you track carbohydrates and calculate insulin doses accurately. 10. Medication reminder apps. These apps send alerts when it's time to take your medication. They help you stay on schedule and never miss a dose. 11. Smart water bottles. These bottles track your water intake and send hydration reminders. Staying well hydrated is essential for managing diabetes. By incorporating these tools into your daily routine, you can take control of your diabetes and improve your quality of life. Remember, while these devices are helpful, they don't replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diabetes management plan. With the right tools and support, living with diabetes becomes more manageable, allowing you to focus on what matters most: living your best life.